Okay, good afternoon, all the students, and welcome to the virtual class. Today, we will start a new poem in English, and the poem name is Mr. Nobody. The poet name is not mentioned over there. As you can see at the last, author unknown. Okay, so in this poem, no poet is there. So, students, first I will recite the whole poem, and then after I will explain you the each stanza. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There's no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. 'Tis he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins afar. That squeaking door will always squeak. For pretty, don't you see? We'll leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We'll never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that link round you see, are not our boots. They all belong to Mr. Nobody. Now, students, what is given in this poem? In this poem, it shows that something is going wrong. That something is goes wrong. But who done? Mr. Nobody. Mr. Nobody, that means no one. No one is there in the house. But then too something is going on wrong. If something is going on wrong, that the wrong thing we put Mr. Nobody. This is a very funny and jolly poem. In this poem, the poet tells us something that is happened true at most of the houses. This is happened at most of the houses when something is broken, something is teared, or goes wrong. But who's done? Mr. Nobody. No one is accepted their mistake. They are saying it's done by Mr. Nobody. Usually you can usually you can see at your home also. Okay. For example, at your home, something is goes wrong. You tear the pages, you broken the plates, you spread the inks, you throw your clothes, shoes here and there. If something is goes wrong, what you children are doing? You are saying, I didn't done. It's done by Mr. Nobody. I didn't done. Okay, if parents asking you who spread the ink, who fed the curtains, who tear out all the pages, who spread your toys here and there, you lost your pen. If something is goes wrong and parents is asking you why you done this, how you done this, at that time what the children are saying? Children are saying, I didn't do that. It's done by Mr. Nobody. I don't know who done this. I don't know who done this. So children are saying Mr. Nobody. The same thing is happened at the classroom also. Okay, if someone is lost the eraser, lost the sharpener, or break out the pages, they throw the books. If something is goes on in the classroom, when the teacher is asked to that students who done this, then students are never accept their mistake. They are saying, teacher, I didn't do, teacher, I didn't do, and they start blaming to each other. Okay. Okay, so this is the poem where the poet is shows that each and every houses, these things are happening and no one accepted their mistakes. Okay, especially children are doing all these mistakes, but they are not, but none of them accepted their mistakes. So that's the reason the poem name is Mr. Nobody. As I know, a funny little man as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. So here the poet is saying, as I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse. So in each every house there is a funny little man. Funny little man is comparing with as quiet as a mouse. How's the mouse is looks so small and very silently the mouse is roaming each and everywhere. The same way, every house there is a funny little man. And who is a funny little man? That is the children. Because each and every house there is a small children who is as quiet as a mouse and who does the mischief that is done, who does the mischief. Okay. In everybody's house, there is no one ever see his face. No one can see their face. Why the poet is saying that no one can see their face? Because the children are doing the something wrong, but they are not accepted their mistakes. And they put their mistakes, Mr. Nobody. I didn't break the plates. I didn't tear the pages. So they are not accepted the mistakes. So who who done all this thing? So they put all their mistakes and they said, Mr. Nobody is done. And yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody, because here the children are not accepted their mistake. They are not accepted that we break all the plates. We cracked all the plates. They are not accepted their mistakes. So what they are doing, they are show like this way, we are not accepted my mistakes. So this thing which is goes wrong, it's done by Mr. Nobody. But the parents, everyone know that this is done by the mischievous person. And who is the mischievous person? That is the children's. The children's can do all the things. The children's are the reason whatever happening wrong. The children's are the reason. Parents are doing this thing, but then two children's are not accepted their mistakes. So they are saying all this has happened. I didn't do that. Maybe Mr. Nobody did. See the second stanza. Tis he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the button from our t-shirt and scatters pain afar. So here's what? So here's all the mistakes are written over there. Tears out books. That means tears out all the pages of the books. Who leave the door ajar. Ajar that means open. Ajar that means open. Who always left the door open. Who pulls the buttons from our shirts. Who always remove the buttons from our shirts. Who scatters the pain afar. Scatter means who spread the pins, who spread the pins afar. Okay. At our house, students, you can observe not only the pins are spreaded, but the children are spread the books, their bag, their shoes, socks, their clothes, they are spread. They spread all over the rooms. Okay. And when the parents or the elder person are asking to them, who done this thing? Who done this thing? Then they are saying they are not accepted their mistake. They are saying we are never do this. Okay, we are never do this. Maybe Mr. Nobody done. See the next stanza. See the next line. That squeaking door will always squeak. For Prit, don't you see? We'll leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. So here So here the poet begins by saying that he knows a funny little man who is as quiet as a mouse, who is responsible for all the mischief that is done in everybody's house. No one has ever seen his face, and yet we all agree that every plate its breakout was cracked by Mr. Nobody, because children are not accepted their mistake. Mr. Nobody always tears out books. Here they are again and again use the word Mr. Nobody. Okay, because whatever goes is wrong at the house, nobody accepted. Yes, we are done. All are saying, I don't know, we didn't do this work. So the poet is saying Mr. Nobody always tears out pages, leaves the door open, and remove all the buttons from the shirts and spread all over things here and there. Who done this? Mr. Nobody. The door that is creaking, that means squeaking. Squeaking, that means when you open the door, when you close the door, at that time you can observe a sound is coming out. Okay, and why this thing is happen? Why the sound you can listen from the door? Because the door need a oiling. If you put the oil, so the sound is become reduced. Okay, but all of us leave the oiling. Nobody do the oiling to be the door. They don't do the oiling. Who will do this? Mr. Nobody. Because here no one accepted their mistake. Someone is leave their work is pending. If you leave your work is pending, so who will done? Mr. Nobody. Okay. See the third stanza. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. Now see here, students, if you open the door, you close the door, the finger marks you can see on the door. Mostly children, when they go outside, they play with their friends. When they come back, their hands are dirty. And that dirty hands, they spread all over the doors and the marks you can see on the door. Okay, are not made by any of us. At that time also, the children are not accepted that the finger marks of they are not accepted. They are saying, I will not do that. Maybe Mr. Nobody. Nor have we left the windows shed open. See, there is a unblind unclosed. That means we never leave the blind unclosed. Blind unclosed, that means the in a window there is a curtains that we always should cover up, okay, that means we have to keep them properly. But what the children are doing, children are not kept the curtains properly. They always open the curtains, okay, they always fed them, they always keep that untidy, so when the parents or the guardian asking to them who who spoiled the curtains, who fed the curtains improperly, untidily. So the children start saying, we didn't do that. We didn't do that. They are not accepted their mistake. If you are not accepted your mistakes, so that means who done all the thing? Maybe Mr. Nobody. We never spill the ink. We never spill the ink. Spill that means to flow all over. So here the children are saying we never spill the ink. But then too it's happened. But we are not accepted. So Mr. Nobody can do this. The boots that mean shoes. The boots that are lying all over the houses. The boots are spread all over the houses, but are not our boots. Children are not accepted that this is our boots. We are not done this. Okay, they all belongs to Mr. Nobody. The all the things which is happened wrong, which is goes wrong, they all the things belongs to Mr. Nobody. Mr. Nobody do all the mischiefs and do all the wrong things. Mr. Nobody has broken the plates, torn out pages, left the door open. He has pulled the buttons from shirts, spread the pins, boots here and there. He has not put oil in a squeaking door. He he has left finger marks upon the door, the dirty finger marks on the door, and kept the blinds open, the curtains is always open, the curtains is become fed. Fed that means to lose freshness. If you keep untidiness the curtains freshness is slowly lose. He has split ink, that means spread the ink and left boots laying around. That means he laying the shoes around the room. And who done all this thing? Who done all this mischief? Who done all this wrong thing? Children are not accepted. Children are there. We are not done. All these things belongs to Mr. Nobody. Okay, because they are not accepted their mistakes, so they are saying all these things belongs to Mr. Nobody. Okay, so here students, Preet means what? Please. Preet means what? Please. Preet means what? Please. Here we have a new word like a ajar. Ajar means open. Ajar means open. Squeaking means cracking. Preet means please. Okay. See, students, one more time, I will recite this poem for you. I know as funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There's no one ever see his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So, in the first stanza, what the poet want to say, the poet saying that he knows a funny little man who is like a mouse. The mouse is very quietly roaming in our houses. So the funny little man is like a mouse who is responsible for all the mischief, who is doing a wrong thing, who is the responsible for the mischiefs that is done in everybody house, that everybody house it, this thing is happen. No one ever seen his face. No one ever seen his face, and yet we all are agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Because parents are very much knowing about that something is going wrong. It is done by our children. It is done by our children, a small kid. But usually what the small kids are saying that we didn't do this wrong thing. We didn't do this. They are not accepted. They are not accepted quickly or easily their mistakes. Okay, so who done all this wrong thing? It belongs to Mr. Nobody. Mr. Nobody is always tear out books. See the second stanza. Tease he who always tears out books. That tease means it is. Tease means it is. Who leave the door ajar, who pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins afar. That squeaking door will always squeak. For Preet, don't you see? Leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. So in the second stanza, the poet is saying Mr. Nobody always do a wrong thing. Which kinds of wrong thing? Tears out books, leave the door open, pull out the buttons from the t-shirts, and scatters the pins, spread the pins or the other things everywhere. The doors start making sound like a creaking, squeaking, and it always continue to creak. But we leave that thing. We are not do the solution. We are not put the oiling to the door. Okay. Why? Because to be done by Mr. Nobody. This all the things which is goes wrong, which the work is pending, is done by Mr. Nobody. See the third stanza. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtain fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying around you see are not our boots. They all belongs to Mr. Nobody. So in a third stanza, the things are again repeated. The finger marks on the door are not made by any of us. They're done by no one. Okay. Nor have left the window shades open. That no one opened the window shades. Okay. Because here no one accepting the mistake, letting the curtains fade. Letting the curtains is lose their freshness, its look untidiness. But then too, we are not open the shades. We never spread the ink here and there. Our shoes, that means our boots that are lying around, that are not ours, that are not our boots, which is lying in the room. The whole the wrong things that are belongs to Mr. Nobody. Okay. So here in this poem, the characters of Mr. Nobody that we learn from this poem are that he is very funny, it's very quiet, mischievous, invisible. Okay, it is a very invisible, lazy, untidy, and careless character. It is very careless character. Okay, and why we put the poem name is Mr. Nobody? Because whatever things is happening in the houses. Okay, whatever wrong thing is happening in the houses, no one is accepted their mistake. So who done this? All the things is belongs to Mr. Nobody. Understood this thing? This is about the poem, Mr. Nobody. I hope you understand the lesson. Sorry, I hope you understand this poem. So, through this poem, what you learn to be a somebody, not a nobody, because nobody action, it's a irresponsible, careless action. And you people have to become a somebody. Somebody that means that person who be a responsible, okay, who done their work in a proper time, who is very carefully do their work with a tightness. So you people must become a somebody, not a nobody. Okay. So this is our poem, Mr. Nobody.